All right, guys, check out this scene. We are at what's called blue hour. That is after sunset, where the sun has fallen behind the horizon and we get this beautiful scene. We're shooting with model Katile, so stick around and I'll show you how we got shots just like these. I'll show you the camera settings I used as well as the lighting. I might have to go on this side. Yeah. We'll have it kind of just like that. Feather Bayou. All right, let me make an adjustment. All right, guys, so first shot, total amateur hour. Not good, but it's the difference between the amateur and the pros is we know how to make adjustments to make it look better, right? So there's 4 things we're going to do. The first thing, I'm going to bring the shutter down to 1/100. I think I started at 125. Not a huge adjustment, but we're gathering light, right? The lower the shutter, the more light. Also, you probably don't want to go below 1/100. It will introduce motion blur, so that's why I want to stay right there at 1/100, okay? The next thing is the aperture. I've got it at 5.6. I can gather even more light into the scene if I bring that down to 2.8. If you have a 1.8 lens, bring it down to 1.8. The lowest number that your lens will go to, that opens up the aperture. It lets more light in while also giving you more blur, which a lot of people like, okay? Look at your ambient and your exposure once you've got those 2 set, right? If it's still not bright enough, the last thing you do is bring up your ISO. Bring it up until you've got a good exposure. In this case, I brought it up to 2500, okay? Now the last thing is my light. I'm just using the 10-watt modeling lamp on my Godox 8300 flash. Why? The flash was too much, right? It was dark out there, right? So I could control it better, I felt, by using just the modeling lamp. It was plenty of light. It was so dark out there, okay? So I just turn off my flash trigger and I hit the little button. There's a modeling lamp button on the back of the 8300, right? Most flashes will have them if they have a modeling lamp, okay? And I'm just using that. And then the Magnum reflector, which is just a large reflector, right? And, you know, with the lighting, you're lighting the subject. Once you've got the background, you want to light the subject to kind of blend the light on the subject with the brightness of the background, right? So you're blending those two. And what you want to do, I mean, you get your light closer and it's more power, it's more light, right? You back it up, it's less light, right? The other thing is you can feather it away. With that Magnum reflector, the light spreads out like this, right? So I don't need to have the light directly on the subject. I can kind of pivot it away from the subject a little bit, and that's feathering, right? And that'll be a little bit indirect light, and with that indirect light, it makes it look just a little, I don't know if it's, you could call it softer, but it's more pleasing, right, than the direct light. So with that said, we make all those adjustments and we get on with the shoot. Cool. Good, love. Perfect, good. See what these look like. Good. Yeah, it's got a good blend of light now. It's perfect. Let's see if I can get a different angle. And you kind of turn your shoulder towards the light just a little bit. Perfect, yeah. That was beautiful, good.
Hey, bro, vamos a tirarnos jump it.
No. I think we're good. Yeah. One little video and then we'll be, just want to get this light the way it is. Good action. I think we're done.
Bye guys.
It is pitch dark, right?
Yep, it's completely nighttime. The bugs are out. We just did 4 looks and it is about time for us to wrap it up.
It only wants to focus on you. Oh, there it goes. Nope, it still wants to focus on you. I don't, yeah. It's a smart camera, right? What was your favorite part? Favorite suit?
I really liked the lime one, the lime green one.
The lime green one, okay. So
I like the design of it.
We'll see how that came out.
Everyone has to choose their favorite suit.
All right, so we'll see what happens.